the six, a helping hand with your land.
So we're out here today with a Meyer CrossFire, and the model is an SXR500, which would mean 500 bushels heaped. A little more precise would be 324 cubic feet struck. So it's 540 PTO drive, chain drive in the front, driving 2 augers in the bottom, going to the rear, discharging at the rear, and then a top auger that's keeping your load level. So we'll walk around to the back here. These are, while we're here, I'll point out those are 19.5 by 16.1 tires. Those are the largest tires that we offer on this spreader, on this SXR500. So here at the back, and we have the door closed right now, the 2 augers are coming to the back, feeding material into your 2 vertical beaters. These beaters are turning out. We have a center deflector there that can be changed. We have 2 different sizes of those depending on your material. If you're too heavy in the middle, we'd put a taller one on. If you're too light in the middle, then we would go with the smaller one. This is the shorter one. Easily replaceable teeth, inexpensive to replace, driven by gearboxes here at the top. A nice wide door opening, tall door opening, that allows the material to come out much quicker than some competitive models. We're going to get a 30 to 40 foot spread pattern, particularly with this heavier material, this beef manure. On the chain drive system of this SXR500, we do not have an oil bath up here, so you're not being inconvenienced by the messiness of the oil. What we have is an automatic lube system to oil these chains every time that your door in the back makes a cycle. Every time you open the door at the back and deadhead that door at the top of the stroke, then we're going to put oil on these chains. It's a very neat, clean way of doing things, and it ensures that the chains always stay oiled. So both of our augers lying in the bottom of this spreader are shear bolt protected. From the factory, they come standard with our lightest protection, and then you can jump up twice more if you're doing tougher material. If you shear bolts, they're easily accessed through a door that opens from the outside, so you can reach that. And if you shear bolts on the one auger and not on the other auger, then you can continue to clean out with the one auger. You do not need both augers running to clean this out, so that's kind of nice. So that's a quick overview of it, the SXR500 by Meyer.